Welcome to the class. Here we are going to start with our NCERT Marigold Book 5 English textbook. In this textbook, the first unit, first part we are going to see in this video. The first part is a poem, Ice Cream Man, which is written by the poet Rachel Field. This is the first page of the poem where an ice cream man is selling ice cream and the children are surrounded by the ice cream cart. This is Rachel Field. Rachel Field is an American novelist, poet and children's fiction writer. And she started writing at her early age and contributed articles, novels, poems, etc. She was a very good writer, and for this she has been awarded John Newbery Medal, National Book Award for her novels and her writing work. She was born on 19th September 1894 in New York City, and she died on 15th March 1942. And this was a very short introduction about Rachel Field. Now before we start with the poem, let us see some new words with its meaning. First word, blaze. Its meaning is bright flame or fire. Next one, trundling. Its meaning moving on small broad wheels. Next, mounds. Its meaning heap or pile. Frosty fizz means chilled drink making a hissing or bubbling sound. Now the last word, cluster, gather around, group of similar things. When we go through the poem, we will see all these words, and in the explanation it will be more clear to you. Now let us start the poem. What is cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? Yes, everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. The poetess says that we all love to eat ice cream, and our favorite person in the summer season is the ice cream man. Now let us start with the poem. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes tumbling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink, from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. Now one by one each stanza I will explain. So listen very carefully. First stanza. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes tumbling down the street. Here the poet is telling that in summer season the city is very hot. Okay, the city is very hot, and the bricks, it looks the blaze of heat. She is mentioning here bricks, a blaze of heat. That means that the bricks are seems to be like fire. That means it is too hot in the summer season, and in this hot summer season there comes the ice cream man with his little cart, goes tumbling down the street. That means the ice cream man with his little cart. Little cart means the vehicle which moves on the broad wheels, and this man, ice cream man, is moving throughout all the streets to sell his ice creams. Now see the second stanza. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. When the ice cream man is coming on his little cart, he is also having a round umbrella, and he is keeping that umbrella so that he could make himself safe from the hot sun, because it is a summer day and the sun is very bright. The poet is telling that everyone feel very happy to see him because he is filling the ice cream cones with mounds of brown and white ice creams. And it is a very joyful sight to see him filling that cones with white and brown creams. Now the next stanza. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. Yes, the ice cream man is bringing different flavors of ice cream. He is having vanilla flavor, chocolate flavor, strawberry flavor, and I think that you might have tasted all these flavors of ice cream. You can also see the bottle full of frosty fizz. Now here the ice cream man is not only bringing different flavored ice cream, but he is also having chilly drinks. Yes, cool drinks of different flavor having different colors, green, orange, white or pink. Yes, these bottles are very chilled and are making frosty fizz sound. Frosty fizz sound means the hissing or the bubbling sound which comes from the chilled drinks. It comes because it is very chilled. Now the next stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around as thick as honey bees. Here there is a comparison. Here the poet is comparing the children and the ice cream cart with honey bees and a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Flower bed means the place where so many flowers are there, and what happened in such places where there are so many flowers means these flowers are surrounded by the honey bees. Yes, honey bees come and sit on these flowers to suck the nectar. It is exactly same with the ice cream man also. When the ice cream man comes, what happened? The small children gather over there to get the ice cream. Yes, so this was the comparison shown by the poet here. Rachel Field has described the ice cream man in the summer season in this poem, and it was really a beautiful poem. Now let me tell you the summary of the poem in short. The poet describes a hot summer day scene of the city, and everybody gets tired of the heat and the sun blaze extremely. So what happened? Meanwhile, the ice cream man comes down the street with his cart, and the ice cream man brings happiness and joy, especially for the children. He has got different flavors of ice cream and also cool drinks. The poet here compared the ice cream man with the flower bed of roses and sweet peas, and the children are compared with the cluster of honeybees. Okay, it is because the flower bed, the flowers are surrounded by the honeybees, and similarly the ice cream man is surrounded by the little children, and not only children but the young people also used to eat ice cream. So this is the summary of the poem. Now we will move on to the exercise part, page number 4. In page number 4, new word we have already discussed. Reading is fun. The first question, let us see. In which season is ice cream popular? Yes, what is the answer? Summer season, of course. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Who feels? Of course, the children. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Vanilla, strawberry, chocolates, pista, badam, so many flavors are there, no? Next question. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? Two things, ice cream and cold drinks. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? Yes, it is compared with the flower bed. Now next question, let's write. Having an ice cream on a hot day is exciting and enjoyable. First question, write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. Yes, what all things can be done in the winter season that you have to write here. Second question, list as many summer activities as you can. Here what you have to do, you have to write the summer activities. What else things you can do in summer season. Third question, now group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. What all activities you have written in the second question, that you have to divide it into indoor activities and outdoor activities. So in this way these questions are to be done. Say aloud. Here the question is, circle the words where you get a z sound. One is done for you. Honey bees. The sound, ending sound is z. Okay, so we have to get the other words ending with a z sound. The words are prize, prize, maze, face, rice, rice, blaze, fizz, lazy, lacy, busy, racy, race, 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 ace, chase, this, these, frosty. So you just try to do it. Circle the words which you feel that it is ending with is sound. Next page, let us listen. The first question, listen and tell the sounds that these words in the poem produce. Yes, cart and drinks. You have to write the sound produced by these two things. Can you make these sounds? Okay, that also you answer. What are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? Yes, this question also try to get the answer. Next one, writing a report. Here see the paragraph is written. Go through, read it, and I will tell you about the report writing. When you are writing a report, means you have to keep all these things in mind. Think of a good title. Write it correctly. So when you are starting to write a report, means you have to write a good title and you have to write it correctly. Keep your subject. That means about what subject you are writing, write about that only. Tell things in the right order. Yes, whenever you write about anything or any topic, the things should be arranged in order. Next, last thing, make your paper look neat. The presentation, it is very important that whatever you write, whenever you write, it should look neat and clean. So what you have to write here is, write a report on different brands of ice creams available in your area. I hope you understood which all brands of ice cream are available in our area. About that you have to write. These are the points which you have to keep in mind. Start with a short introduction which contains the topic. So introduction which contains the topic. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. Next one, say which are the common flavors of the ice cream in each of the brands. Yes, first you have to write the brand name and then the flavors of the ice cream in each brand. Next one, under each brand find out which flavors are being sold the most. Also find out the prices, their prices. Yes, after writing the brands and the flavors, what you have to do, you have to just get an idea which flavor is sold the most and the prices of this ice creams. Finally, write which do you think is most popular ice cream. Lastly, what you have to write is which ice cream is the most popular one. So in this way the report is to be made. Next, word building. Color the boxes that have rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that ends two or more words that end similarly with the same sound. Okay, see the boxes here. First box, city and cart. The ending of these two words are very different. No, city and cart. See the next one, heat, street. They are having similar ending sound. So you can color this box. Similarly, the other boxes are also having words. See, some of them I will read out for you. Blows, goes, do, go, hard, yard, ball, doll, cow, sow, label, table, sky, my, play, obey, race, face, right, night. All these words are given here. Just read out, find out the rhyming words and color the boxes. Next page. What do the following words describe in the poem? Yes, joyful, little and round. Joyful, I think sight. Little, what is little? Cart. Round is an umbrella, I think. Next part of this question, second question. What are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Dash mounts, dash flavor, dash cluster. Find out and write down here. Next question, fun time. Color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in each. That means chocolate flavor, brown color, vanilla, white color, orange color, like that. Black currant, strawberry, raspberries, butterscotch and pista. You have to color these boxes according to the flavors of the ice cream. Next one, draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting describing words, the colors, the flavors, the size, how it looks, tastes, feels, etc. You have to draw your favorite ice cream. Third question, have you ever eaten kulfi, the ice cream from North India? The following sentences describe how it is served, but they are not in the correct order. Write the correct number before each sentence. See, 4 sentences are given, but they are not arranged correctly. Okay, we have to number them, which will come first, second, third and fourth, like that. So I will read these sentences for you. He scoops out the kulfi on a plate, then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the picture. He arranges some faluda around it. So these 4 sentences are given in an incorrect order. We have to arrange them correctly. Here we have to number them. Okay, first, second, third, fourth in the correct way. So these are the exercises of the first part of the first unit. If you got any doubt, you can ask me. Try to do the exercise part by your own. I will send you the PDF. You have to write the notes, the question answers and word powers. You have to write it in your notebook. Rest all exercises can be done in the test book itself. So till the next video, take care, be safe and stay blessed. Thank you.